Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech ELISA test kit. Today we're primarily going to see the variant Rubella IgG ELISA test kit, 96 well test kit. This is from Calbiotech, you can see. It's from Calbiotech and the product name is Calbiotech Rubella IgG ELISA test kit 96 well. It is manufactured in the US. See on the standard you can see the 2 years of expiry period, the lot number and the reference part number. I'll show you around the box. You can see okay, you have a storage temperature of between 2 to 8. You can see here it's 2 to 8. And the package contains coated well plates, and you get controlled standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, and you have a stop solution, substrate, and you have a CO. This is where it is manufactured in the US. You can see that this is IVD certified product. I'll just open this box. And inside the box you can see that there is one IFU brochure. Okay, here you can see this here. It says Calbiotech Rubella IgG ELISA. The Calbiotech Rubella IgG ELISA kit is intended for the detection of IgG antibody to rubella in human serum or plasma. This is how the total brochure looks. It has the detailed instructions and safe procedure, and how do you calculate your results, and the quality control method. So you have the complete details to conduct this test. Here you go. And inside you can see there is another document, which is basically the certificate of analysis. You can see it's a certificate of analysis. See over here, and this gives you the key contents inside this box. You can see there is a micro wells coated with rubella antigen 96 well plate, and sample diluent one bottle, and one calibrator 1 vial, positive control 1 vial, and you have a negative control 1 vial, and enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, and TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution 1 bottle, and you have got a wash concentrate 20x. Okay, I'll just keep this aside. Let me show you this completely. This is how this looks like. See this. Okay, you got the certificate analysis. Just give a second. Then you get rubella coated wells. That is a 96 well plate. There's a well plate here. Just keeping it here. So the inside you have a different solutions. Let me take you one by one. I'm just going to show you this and put it back. You can see this is a wash concentrate 20x. You can see the lot number, reference part number, and also the expiry period. It's a 25 ml wash concentrate. Okay, I'll put it here back. I'll take the other one. You can see the other one. This is the reference part number, and also the lot number is given, and it has an expiry period. There's an enzyme conjugate and 12 ml. You can see this bottle. Enzyme conjugate 12 ml. Putting it back. Take another one. This is you can see the reference number, lot number, and also the expiry period. This is IgG sample diluent. You can see it's 22 ml. You can see this bottle with the green cap. Putting it back. And then you have another one. You can see the reference part number, lot number, and the expiry period, and it's a 12 ml liquid, and this is a stop solution for this test. You can see this is stop solution 12 ml. Okay, I'm putting it back. Okay, and here you go. There's another one. We have the reference part number, lot number, and also the expiry period, and this is the TMB substrate, and you get a 12 ml liquid bottle like this. Yeah, you got it. Putting it back, and then you have the Calbiotech reference part number. This has the Rubella IgG negative control. There's one negative control, 1 ml. Taken the other one, and this is, okay, let me put it by here, and this is Rubella IgG calibrator, 1 ml, and you can see the reference part number and the lot number. This is how it looks like, the cap. I'm putting it back. Let's take this. This is the Rubella IgG positive control, and 1 ml. And you can see the reference part number and also the lot number. You can see this here. Putting it back. On a standard, you can see, you've seen the unboxing. Just quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of Calbiotech Rubella IgG ELISA 96 well kit. And in a standard box, you get one IFU brochure and a certificate of analysis, a 96 well plate, and different liquids like you can see these liquids here. You get the sample diluent, you get the calibrator, you get the positive control, you get the negative control, and you get the enzyme conjugate, TMB substrate, 1 bottle, and stop solution, and the wash concentrate. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.